Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor. This one is up today by 3.38%. We're going to be speaking about that. We're also going to be looking at everything that could be coming into the next week. If it sounds like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You should always be doing a research. Now, coming into this one today, like I say, a good day overall. At the same time, we are seeing a little bit of resistance at some key levels. You're seeing the stock really struggling to get above numbers around 1460, and even above that around 1470, and even up to 1490, $15, right? We're seeing resistance in this range. This is not too dissimilar to what we saw through the 14th. It's also not too dissimilar, really, to what we saw right around the 17th. So this is a range that we have seen difficulty at before. It may be the case again. This is significant. We do want to see this one go up and retest those levels into the next couple of days. This is going to be the most ideal situation in my opinion. So hopefully we're going to find the support relatively soon. If history is anything to go off, you could be looking at numbers around 1410. We've seen this in the past. You could possibly be looking slightly lower though, to numbers all the way down possibly to 1360 as we saw just yesterday. This is a key moment, guys. I do want to see this one come back up and retest those resistance levels. You can see, of course, the RSI here is still neutral, very neutral actually, so there could be further room to run. It's been an impressive day overall, but we're going to need to see this trend to continue for me to become excited. It's been a good start. If we see this carry on into next week, things are looking great, but again, we'll have to see how things play out. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts on it in the comments. Do drop me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.